Hi beautiful viewers, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show us how to make this Ankara Scrunchies. We are going to do so. Let's get started. Here we have three Ankara fabric pieces. One for the main scrunchies, the other for the inner scrunchies, like the one that is going to form it. You're going to see it along the line, and the third one for the elastic. What I did here, I make sure I fold the fabric into two, then later into four. And the next thing I did at the tip, the cutout, I measure 1.5, and for the length is 8.5 inches. Like you can see here. So afterwards, I took my ruler and make like a curved slant shape, and also take my scissors to like cut the shape out. Next thing I did was to take it back to the machine and sew. After sewed each fabric, the three pieces fabric we have there, I took my loop turner, or if you have a safety pin, to turn it inward to the right side. Take it back to give it a good right, and I make sure that the seam line is facing the upper part, which is at the center of the fabric. The next thing I did was to take the second fabric and use a pin to insert it in the main fabric to have that scrunchie effect. And meanwhile, when you are trying to insert this second fabric, you have to use a pin, like a office pin, to hold it at the tip, or try to like hold it at the tip, not to pull out. So you have to be very careful there. If not, you just find out like you are trying to go back to the same thing. So just try to take a pin just to hold it at that tip side, not to pull out. Here I'm trying to secure the tip with the pin, and also use a safety pin to pull out the second fabric to form the scrunchies. So here we go. You insert a safety pin in the second fabric and you try to pull out the pin. So here we go. You keep pushing out the pin, push until you get to the next edge. You keep pulling. Then when you get to the second tip, you also secure it with a pin. And afterwards, I took the elastic casing. That's my elastic bag. The same procedure I did for the first one, like taking a pin to secure both tips, not to like pull out. We are almost at the final stage where we have to like pick both fabric together and take it back to the machine and sew. And before what, don't forget we pin both edges down. This is what we have after both effects. So the next thing I did was to take both teeth and sew together. I took the first one which we have pinned down, I mean the first fabric, and the elastic casing together. I took the inner casing, then sew with the elastic band. So I took the inner one, like the inner fabric, and take it back to the machine to sew with the elastic casing, which already has the elastic band in it. So afterwards, this is what we have. And please, while you are trying to like merge both fabric together, be careful with it, especially the elastic part not to pull out while you're trying to remove the pin. And here we have the result of the inner casing and also the elastic band, which I took back to the machine to sew. So this is what we will have. And the next thing I did was to make a fold. First fabric and try to like take it in like a little fold inside, a little fold inside like 0.5, that is half inch, and afterwards just try to make a wrap effect at both edges. Took back to the machine to sew. And that's all on today's video. Thanks for watching to this very moment. Let me know what you think about this headband. I would love to know what you think of this video. And I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed.